Now let's go back to VS Code and see what we have in this folder. Three folders, node modules, which we have all the third-party library as well as React itself. So we are not going to worry about this. Next, public folder. We have public assets of our application, page icon, index.html. It doesn't really have anything, bunch of metadata and link in header section. Then manifest.json, which include bunch of data attribute about an application. Don't worry about this. Look further below. Here in the body section, we can see single div with ID root. This is where React application going to appear. This div is a container for React application. Next, src folder. This is source folder. Folder where we have the basic component of app component. Component is responsible for rendering this. This is the output of app component.